Hello, so welcome to this video, fourth episode of making a top-down scroller. And if you want the first and second and third video, the link of the video will appear here. In this episode, we will fix some glitches. So the first glitch was if we touch the border, the backdrop will change. But it should not happen. We can easily fix this glitch by going to costumes, minimizing, clicking and making it to 0. And if I now test it, yes, the bug is gone. The second bug was the player movement bug, and it can be easily fixed by putting start sound recording on here. My speaker is in repairment, so you can't hear, but do it in your own computer if you have a speaker, and you can hear the sound. So this was a mini video of fixing the two bugs. And if you want the link of the fifth episode, the link will show here.